Have you ever wanted to grow your own salsa garden? A salsa garden is a delightful green space brimming with fresh ingredients for homemade salsa. It's a wonderful way to save money, enjoy gardening, and savor the freshest salsa. Imagine the satisfaction of making salsa from your very own garden. Starting a salsa garden requires a few key ingredients. First up, you'll need the stars of the show: tomatoes, jalapenos, onions, cilantro, and bell peppers. But why stop there? Garlic and sweet corn can add an extra pop to your homemade salsa. And let's not forget the foundation of any good garden: rich, quality soil. Place your garden in a sunny spot and you're all set. With these ingredients, you're ready to start planting. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. First things first, tomatoes and peppers should be planted in the spring, once the threat of frost has passed. Onions, garlic, and cilantro, however, can handle a bit of chill and can be planted in the early spring or fall. Each plant has its own personality and needs, so it's essential to provide them with regular watering and plenty of sunlight. For instance, tomatoes are sun-hungry and need about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day, while cilantro prefers a cooler, partially shaded spot. Harvest time varies, but generally, you'll start to see ripe, ready-to-pick veggies in late summer. With patience and care, your salsa garden will start to flourish. After all your hard work, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvest ripe tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cilantro. Blend these together for fresh salsa. Feel free to experiment with your recipe. Enjoy your homemade salsa, fresh from your own garden. Growing a salsa garden is a rewarding experience. From selecting your seeds to harvesting your bounty, each step brings joy. The benefits are many: fresh ingredients, an active hobby, and a vibrant garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.